Imagine opening a website and for a second, you actually think it's Netflix. But here is the twist. This entire streaming platform was built using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And at first, it looks like simple until the UI starts moving. Hover animation, smooth cinematic hero banners, glass morphism effect, and live movie data directly from TMDB API. And then this happens. When I click on the movie poster, you will see the movie trailer opens directly inside the app. And honestly, this project is portfolio worthy. So keep watching till end. Hello guys, welcome to the channel Null Pointer Dev. This is day 4 of 30-day coding challenge. In this challenge, we are building real world project using AI in just 15 minutes. Today's project is a Netflix clone using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start the project. Alright, so instead of building this entire Netflix clone manually from scratch, today we are going to use AI to speed up the development workflow. But this time we are not generating a small beginner project. We are building a full cinematic Netflix inspired web application with dynamic movie and content premium UI. So to build this application, we are using HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the front end, and for real movie data, we will integrate TMDB API. Now the reason why I am using TMD is because it allows us to fetch trending movies, banners, posters, ratings and trailers dynamically, which makes the project feel much closer to a real streaming platform. Now I am asking AI to generate sticky Netflix style navbar, cinematic hero banner, dynamic movie rows, hover animation, search functionality, responsive mobile design and modern glass morphism effect. And we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and TMD, and the project should be beginner friendly, fully responsive, and we have mentioned the complete project structure as well. Now I click send prompt, and in some time the AI has generated us our project structure along with the code, as you can see in that. So this is the complete project structure which was given by the AI. सो हमें सबसे पहले ये प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर हमारे उस VS कोड में बनाना होगा. तो सबसे पहला काम है हमें नेटफ्लिक्स क्लोन नाम का फोल्डर बनाना. तो उसके लिए हम VS कोड में आएंगे और हम यहाँ पे आके न्यू फोल्डर क्रिएट करेंगे, नेम नेटफ्लिक्स डैश क्लोन. जैसे हमने फोल्डर क्रिएट कर दिया है, अब हमारे नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे चलते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप के लिए हम हमारे AI के पास जाएंगे और यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे हमें 3 फाइल्स क्रिएट करनी है, index.html, style.css एंड script.js. तो अब हम हमारे VS कोड पाएंगे और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम पहले एक न्यू फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, नेम index.html. देन हम हमारी सेकेंड फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, न्यू फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, नेम style.css. एंड अब हम हमारी थर्ड फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, नेम script.js. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमने हमारी 3 फाइल क्रिएट कर दी है. अब हम एक नया फोल्डर क्रिएट करेंगे, नेम एसेट्स. बेसिकली इस फोल्डर के अंदर हमारे को अगर कोई भी इमेज या कुछ भी डालना होगा तो हम उसको इसमें रखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द HTML स्ट्रक्चर. वी हैव गिवन द टाइटल नेम नेटफ्लिक्स क्लोन अलॉन्ग विद द लिंक ऑफ आवर style.css where all the designing are there. After that we have the loading screen which appears when the website initially loads in the loader section. Then after that we created the navbar container. In that container we have created Netflix logo, then search input, then our navigation area. Now below the navbar section we created the hero banner section. This section is basically the main area of the application where featured movie, background banner, movie title and description will appear dynamically. After that, we created multiple movie sections like trending, popular, top rated, action and comedy. And finally, we created the trailer pop model, which will display YouTube trailers whenever user click any movie card. And after that, we have integrated the script.js part. Okay. Now let's move towards the styling part. And honestly, this is where the application start looks like an actual Netflix clone. Inside CSS, our main goal is to create a dark cinematic UI, smooth animation, premium hover effect and responsive layouts. First, I am styling the navigation bar. We are making it fixed at the top, semi-transparent and adding glass morphism blur effect. This instantly gives that UI a much more modern streaming platform feel. Then I am streaming the Netflix logo, search input and spacing between elements. Now let's style the hero banner section. This section needs to feel cinematic and visually powerful, so I am adding full screen background image, dark gradient overlay, large typography, and the overlay is important because it gives text visibility and gives the banner a more Netflix like appearance. Now comes one of the most satisfying parts, the movie cards. Here I am creating horizontal scrolling movie rows, poster card layouts, smooth hover scaling and gradient overlays. Whenever you use hover over a movie card, the card smoothly enlarges, which makes the interface feel interactive and premium. Now I am styling the trailer pop-up model. This model will appear whenever user clicks a movie card. We will add dark full screen overlay, centered pop-up, responsive iframe and close button styling, so trailers can play directly inside the application. Now finally, I am adding responsive media queries. This ensures the application works properly on desktop, tablets and mobile devices. Movie card resize automatically, navbar adjusts properly and the layout remains clean across all the screen sizes. Now let's move towards the JavaScript part, which is basically the brain of this project. This is where we will connect the TMDB API, fetch movie data, dynamically render content, and add all interactive functionality. First, I am connecting the TMDB API using the API key. TMDB provides movie posters, banners, ratings, description, and trailer data. So instead of manually adding movies, our application will dynamically fetch everything in real time. Now using fetch request, we will retrieve different movies like trending, popular, top rated, action and comedy. Once the API returns the data, JavaScript automatically generates movie card dynamically. After that, now I am creating the hero banner functionality. Basically, the application automatically selects a trending movie and updates the background image, movie title and description dynamically. This makes the home page feels more alive. Now comes one of the coolest functionalities, the trailer pop-up system. Whenever user clicks any movie card, JavaScript fetches trailer data from TMDB and dynamically open the YouTube trailer inside the model. Now let's implement the search feature. User can type any movie name and press enter, and JavaScript will instantly fetch movie result from the API, which makes the clone feel much more. Now I am finally adding the loading screen functionality. So when the website initially opens, users see a smooth cinematic loading animation before the content appears. So guys, our next step is to create the TMDB API. So first of all, we have to create a TMDB account. We click on this link and move to our TMDB login page, and we have to click on the join TMDB button. You have to create your account, so you have to give your username, then you have to give password, and then you have to email, and you have to click on the sign up button. When you log in, you will see this dashboard. Now we have to see our next step. So our next step is to generate the API key. So to generate the API key, we have to click on the given link. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to the API page where you have to create the link API key. So you have to click here on request an API key button. And when you click, you have to select the option yes, this is for my personal use only, and click the checkbox and click this yes button, and you will have to fill your basic details here, and after filling the basic detail you have to click on the subscribe button. After that your API key will be generated. As you can see that our API key is generated, and above that we have the API read access token. We have to copy our API key and paste it in our script.js file in the first line where we have given our API key in the double quotes. Now to run the application, we have to right click on our index.html file and then open with live server option. Alright guys, this is not the real Netflix application. It's a fully custom Netflix inspired streaming platform built completely using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And honestly, the first thing I wanted was the real cinematic Netflix feel. A massive hero banner, dark modern UI, glass morphism navbar, smooth animation and responsive design everywhere. But this is the first thing start getting interesting. Every single movie row here is loading dynamically using the TMDB API, trending, popular, top rated, action, comedy. And this is my favorite plot. When I click on a movie card, the trailer dynamically opens inside the app itself. So this isn't just a static front-end clone anymore. It's actually behaving like a real Netflix platform. But wait, there is still one feature. If I search any movie like धुरंधर और जैसे ही मैं सर्च करूँगा, the app instantly fetches live result from the API. And yes, even the search movie trailer works dynamically too. And the craziest part, this entire project is beginner friendly, fully responsive, portfolio ready, and honestly looks like something straight out of a real production app. So this was the day 4 of the 30-day coding challenge. I hope आपको ये project पसंद आया होगा and you learned something new from this video. If you enjoy this video, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And comment down below which project should we build next using AI. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.